In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix your ping in Roblox. I'm going to go through a bunch of different fixes, so stick around because one of these fixes may help you. So some of the more obvious fixes are switching from Wi-Fi to Ethernet, unplugging your router for about 30 to 60 seconds so you can restart it, or disabling a VPN which you may have on your computer. To see if you have a VPN active, all you need to do is go into your start menu and just type in VPN. Now press VPN settings. And as you can see here, it says add VPN, meaning I have no VPN installed on the computer or active at all. So the next thing you can do is check your network drivers are up to date. To do this, go back into the start menu and type in device manager. So we'll click on this one here. And once it's loaded, you need to find network adapters and just expand this. Right click on the drivers and press update driver. Now press search automatically for drivers. And here it says best drivers installed already. So we can close off of this and do the same thing on the next one down. So the next thing you can do is change your DNS settings in your network settings. To do this, go into your settings, go to network and internet. Now click on Wi-Fi. And now we are going to go onto our properties. And now you need to scroll down a little bit until you get to DNS server assignment. So press edit. Go from automatic to manual and then turn on IPv4. Under preferred DNS, you can type 8.8.8.8 and then alternative DNS, you can type 8.8.4.4 and now press save. So the next thing you can try is downloading a browser extension that will enhance your gameplay. So this will start matching you with people in a more local area, which in turn will bring your ping down. I suggest using this one here, BT Roblox. Search it in your Chrome browser, and then all you need to do is press add to Chrome. Now press add extension, and it will download for a second, and here it is downloaded. So now if we click on this, it will bring up our menu, and you can scroll through this and customize it as you please. So you can follow the majority of the steps I just went through on your MacBook, but I'll just go through how to do the DNS settings. So go to System Settings, go to Wi-Fi. Now press on Details next to your Wi-Fi and then go to DNS. So in here you can add the same DNS numbers, and once you've added them, all you need to do is press OK to save it. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.